Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss about a very unique concept of projects. So this project name is PUBG.io. So what is PUBG.io? PUBG is a decentralized metaverse which is built and backed by Binance Smart Chain. So they have a very unique concept. They have introducing a metaverse project. So this project have own token, which token name is Khaled. So this token are also making on Binance Smart Chain. So we will discuss further about this project. So PUBG is an entry level metaverse space through open access ports. It connects the mapping of reality and society, shatters traditions and shapes multiple industries. Each meta citizen can feel the ultimate experience of life and entertainment through the completion of tasks before finally realizing the reconstruction of the economic system turns out to be an economic revolution. So here is mention about introduction. So introduction PUBG is PUBG Foundations. This project are also work on Binance Smart Chain base and play to earn metaverse game, virtual life and game dominated by cyberpunk style, where player can earn a certain amount of Californium token. So this token symbol is Khaled token by being the identity card holders of their project, which can be found in the project demo. With its leak and production, the 3D visualization of the P2E mechanism is also highly innovative, with virtual office space and virtual citizenship games offering virtual citizen as a much more complete visual experience through both online and offline connection. They can more profoundly implement their own unique originally intention on the mapping of the real world. So they have also mentioned a Khaled token information. So you can check this all information about this token. They have also introduced a NFT, virtual citizen NFT. So you can collect an unfree Khaled token. So you can check all the information in detail. So this is the website. They have also this is the this introduced token distribution. So you can check the token distribution detail. So user reward pool, they have will be only 10%. So governance reward will be 55%, and private sale will be 10%, and team will be have 20%. So they have mentioned token utility. So Khaled will be the only source of energy of the first stage of our virtual planet, and the power of station will consume Khaled to the power of entire planet. PUBG will be able to purchase good from the PUBG market through the NFT system, and market will be showcase personalized items. Khaled is utility token that provides holder with a wide range of features with PUBG, including access to exclusive event, joining pre-sale and making reservatives. So PUBG will follow the governance model, where holders of a PUBG NFT will become a part of the governance committee. Each NFT will cast a vote of through a DAO, and after a proposal is submitted to the DAO, NFT holders will vote with the majority of votes taking the win. So here is mentions a roadmap. You can check all the details in further future planning. So this roadmap will be run till 2022. So they have also running a bounty campaign. If you part in this bounty, so you have minimum requirement. First read the minimum requirement after joining this bounty. So I will be link in the bounty campaign in the video description. So please check out the all detail in video description. I have put all the links in the description. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video, subscribe my channel, and also like this video for more interesting updates. Thank you.